Hi there, how are you doing? Today we asked 3 people the question, what do you have in your refrigerator? Listen to the answers. David, let's see, a carton of eggs, a quart of milk, a pound of hamburger, a few slices of cheese, and a little butter. There aren't many vegetables. There are just a few green peppers going bad in the vegetable bin. I guess I should eat more vegetables. Marta, oh, there's lots of stuff. There's fruit, oranges, mangoes, and a pineapple. And I always have plenty of fresh vegetables. Broccoli, tomatoes, and carrots. And there is some milk. I usually buy skim milk because it has fewer calories. And then, in the freezer, there are 1 or 2 frozen dinners, but not many. We eat very few frozen meals. Chris, well, there is very little food in there because I eat out most nights. So there is just a loaf of bread, a bottle of soy sauce, and a jar of hot peppers. Yeah, there is not much food in the house. Now, answer the questions. What does Chris have in his refrigerator? What does Marta have in her refrigerator? What does David have in his refrigerator? What do you have in your refrigerator? Do you keep vegetables in your refrigerator? How often do you eat frozen meals? Answer the questions, my friend. Do the exercises. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Divi. See you next class.